Rakara?
Ready to get out.
What do you mean?
Ready to fin.
Huh?
Ready to fin.
Ready to fin. Which is?
Nin fin.
What the Sakara again? I'm not forced.
What the Sakara?
It's a Rakara.
Ready to fin.
It really sounds like he's saying a different accent for us. In ready in met?
Ready to fin.
Oh my goodness. So he doesn't know. I'm videotaping him because he kept saying a different way of ready fan. Ready fan.
Ready to fin.
You say ready fan.
Ready to fin.
Ready fan. So he said ready fin. So it is ready to ferikerai. And it's a time for worship. You're a fan. Me and him don't go church because it's not up so bedak. It's a bayon up so goa. It's a bayon up. It's a bayon up feed that is even feed Maria feed Father feed so much. So
Doesn't matter.
I'm not sure over there. Every father will say that.
No. Now you wouldn't fit it on. We see it.
Okay, so this is what he's saying. Doesn't matter what church, where, who so much, who so bedag, who feed that is see, who so much feed so much is, that the most matters is your immune in your ngasagas, your native, your egg or in your heart. So even if we are not soding, or what do you call that, soding or Christian, we don't have Nadian worship. So anyone who has Nadian worship, we can come and join you guys, please, because my husband is getting crazy over saying we don't have Nadia fan. So happy Sunday to everybody. You want to say something, honey? How come? Why you don't like talk over my live video? Thank you, Andrew, for happy Sunday. Okay. Finally, he's talking.
Maple. Omnukuruk. Nankot. Abu si defeatu.
And
Mako boy sitting around. Chara for a fun. Maple. Ear charak. Kapas fed then. Yo kapasanim.
okay.
Make a short nuguruk noren. Irarospa. Amen.
Okay. Are you trying to preach? My goodness, I hope I turn away the camera from him before he say something crazy. I don't want him to say something crazy about Sopetak so much that is see, because they're all
No, I
gods.
say for se ferite met. Ngabe na de check me busi fatige. Omnukuruk nokot. Aga sokoro.
Okay, we were kind of debating and arguing over coronavirus.
Coronavirus?
Because I keep talking about coronavirus and how it's affecting a lot of people all over the place, all over the mainland, all over Hawaii, all over Guam, everybody, it's affecting us coronavirus. But he's saying stop being so worried about coronavirus, because coronavirus depends the thing you need to be worried about is nukuduk nakot. The best thing is just have faith in God that He will protect you. So now we're starting kind of getting crazy, both of us in the car, because he kept talking and he didn't know I turned the live on. So until he just knew that, oh, this crazy wifey is turning on the live, and now he kind of stopped. I shut him out. I shut him off, and now he stopped talking. So, are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, he stopped preaching, or he stopped debating or arguing with me, because that's how I shut him out. I turned my live on. So now Chuukese Finiasai started talking and he stopped. Do you have anything else to say again? Huh?
Random gonna give you medicine.
What else?
Kapag kirisogeri chak asarre marawere don me verogit mitsia pasapuere kit.
You have anything to say about coronavirus?
Ie kapasis pat siafen erkuruk momore coronavirus.
Stop laughing, being serious. And
Ni varat manota be momore at sawore pore tikit. Kamanota.
are you preaching just because today's Sunday?
No. Koso ngai fekura garabas refamanota momore. Ait maso no sito pati ekoni irapien Chuukese ait morosito. Me to kutjan ngavior karik me yor tarbe
To get rice,
get
your
rice.
newspaper,
me yor karateri rak
your notebook.
me yor karasapumut
Oh,
me yor karaferanget. Ine set weto era pare o ngira safere coronavirus Chuukese.
excuse me, people, I need Chuukese.
No.
You need Chuukese too.
No.
Yes, you do.
Kitsi bocak akarik.
Oh my goodness. So Chuukese's way is use korik because we don't use Chuukese back home in the islands. We used what did we use? We used chapere, we used newspaper, we used to get rice, kaparu rice, tarpe rice,
Berry rak.
we
Berry rak.
we use, what do you call that? We use
Petetia.
call me the petetia. I'm serious. I'm telling the truth. All of us Chuukese people, don't you say you not, because we all do. And everybody is getting toilet paper. Everybody's getting toilet paper. And what else are they getting? Mostly, what's the most thing you buy out of the store? Toilet paper and sanitizer. But you can use Clorox too, you know. You can mix your Clorox, a little bit Clorox with a little bit of the Torusebi or the liquid soap. You should be fine. No need the sanitizer. Stop spending too much money on those, because the cheapest one is the korik. All you need is use the korik, mix up your Clorox with the Cora or the liquid soap, right? Am I right? Put a thumbs up. Well, we talk too much in our car because I wasn't gonna put the live video on, because he kept talking and I wanna shut him out. That's why I turned my live on. So happy Sunday to all of you guys. And coronavirus is getting us crazy and it's affecting all of us too. So let's all get protected, and I hope the leaders of Chuuk don't allow people from outside Chuuk coming into the Chuukese state, because we don't have a lot of So Safran, thank you very much for watching our Chuukese Finiasai videos. If you are a fan or follower, I love watching our Chuukese Finiasai videos. Please come back again and support us. don't forget to click that subscribe button. Please subscribe. Click subscribe button. Kiri so dapur. Si papai Chuukese Fan.